Today we are going to see the topic economic importance of bacteria. Bacteria are both beneficial and harmful. The positive and negative interactions of bacteria with biotic and abiotic environments for their beneficial and harmful roles. Important functions of nutrient cycling. At first, we are going to see the soil fertility. Soil fertility means the ability of soil to sustain the agricultural plant growth, that is, to provide plant habitat and result in a sustained and consistent yield of high quality. ஃபர்டைலான சாயிலில் மட்டும்தான் அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் பண்ண முடியும். அங்கே மட்டும்தான் பிளான்ட் க்ரோத் ஆகும். அதுக்கு தேவையான எல்லா நியூட்ரியன்ஸ் ரெக்யர்மெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் ப்ராப்பராக கிடச்சி அந்த பிளான்ட் க்ரோத்துனால நமக்கு ஈல்டு கிடைக்கும், ஹை குவாலிட்டி ஆஃப் ஈல்டு கிடைக்கும், ப்ராஃபிட் கிடைக்கும். ஸோ சாயில் ஃபர்டிலிட்டியாக இருக்கிறது அக்ரிகல்ச்சருக்கு வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். சம் ஆஃப் த பாக்டீரியா ஹெல்ப்ஸ் இன் த மெயின்டைனிங் த சாயில் ஃபர்டிலிட்டி. So soil fertility இருக்கிறதுக்கு many bacteria are helping by the means of ammonification, nitrification and nitrogen fixation. Bacteria act on a dead bodies of plants and animals and convert the complex organic substance into simple inorganic substance. This conversion is important because plants can't pick up the complex organic substance. Plants can able to take up only the simple inorganic substance. So bacteria convert பண்ணா மட்டும்தான் சாயிலில் இருக்கிற இந்த inorganic substance பிளான்ஸால் எடுத்துக்க முடியும். So this way the bacteria improves the soil fertility. The proteins present in the dead bodies of plants and animal is converted into ammonia by ammonifying bacteria such as Bacillus rhamnosus, Bacillus mycoides. So these are ammonifying bacteria convert the proteins. Dead bodies la irukka proteins ammonia va convert pannadhu. That bacteria group of bacteria is called as ammonifying bacteria. Example Bacillus rhamnosus and Bacillus mycoides. So this process is known as ammonification. Ammonia is converted into nitrite by bacteria of Nitrosomonas group. The nitrites finally converted into nitrates by bacteria of Nitrobacter group. So this type of conversion of ammonia into nitrate is called nitrification. So the nitrates thus formed, it increases the soil fertility. Ammonium salt first nitrates Nitrosomonas group convert பண்ணுது, then nitrates nitrate Nitrobacter group convert பண்ணுது. ஸோ இந்த nitrates வந்து சாயிலில் fertility increase பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஒரு important thing. ஸோ this conversion of ammonia into nitrate convert ஆகிற இந்த ப்ராசஸ்க்கு பேர் nitrification. The next one, nitrogen fixation. Some of the soil bacteria like Acetobacter, Clostridium, Rhizobium are found in the root nodules of leguminous plants. So they are capable of fixing atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. அட்மாஸ்பியரில் இருக்கிற நைட்ரஜனை பிளான்ஸால் எடுத்துக்க முடியாது. ஸோ அந்த அட்மாஸ்பியரில் இருக்க நைட்ரஜனை நைட்ரேட்டாக ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணுற இந்த ரோல் பண்ணுறது பாக்டீரியா தான் சாயில் பாக்டீரியா. they are present in the leguminous plantோட ரூட்டில் இருக்க நோடுல்ஸில் they are present. So these nitrates are used by the green plants to produce the protein. Plants protein produce பண்ணுறதுக்கு இந்த நைட்ரேட்ஸை எடுத்துக்கும். So that's why it increases the soil fertility. Nitrogen fixation, nitrification and ammonification, three important processes done by the bacterial, many types of bacteria. The next one, bacteria as a source of antibiotics. Antibiotics are medicine that help stop infection caused by bacteria. The word antibiotic means against life. Any drug that kills the germs in our body means technically it is called as an antibiotic. Already we know the characteristic features of bacteria. Bacteria body can produce the bacitrazine against some of the bacteria. That bacteria will produce some toxin. So that toxin is used as the antibiotic to kill the some other infectious bacteria. நமக்கு டிசீஸ் காஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய ஹார்ம்ஃபுல்லான பாக்டீரியாவுக்கு அகெயின்ஸ்டாக அதோட லைஃப்பை கில் பண்ணுறதுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லான பெனிஃபிஷியலான பாக்டீரியாவோட பாடியிலேருந்து வி ஆர் ப்ரிப்பேரிங் ஆன்டிபயோட்டிக் அகெயின்ஸ்ட் ஃபார் தட் டிசீஸ் காசிங் பாக்டீரியா. The most important antibiotic is streptomycin. It was prepared from Streptomyces graesus. It cures the urinary infection, tuberculosis, that means TB, pneumonia. Pneumonia means infection in lungs. Meningitis. Meningitis is a membrane covering of brain and spinal cord, protective covering. The infection in that membrane is called as a meningitis. So this antibiotics acts upon these diseases. The next antibiotic, aureomycin, it was prepared from Streptomyces aureofaciens. It is used as a medicine to treat a whooping cough. Whooping cough means continuous cough and eye infection. Whooping cough means in Tamil kakkuvan irumal. So against that whooping cough and eye infection, this aureomycin antibiotic is very useful. The next antibiotic, chloromycetin, was prepared from Streptomyces venezuelae. It cures the typhoid fever. The next bacitrazine antibiotic was prepared from Bacillus licheniformis. It is used to treat the syphilis. Syphilis is one of the sexually transmitted disease. During the sexual contact alone, this disease will spread. It was controlled by bacitrazine. And the next antibiotic, polymyxin. It was prepared from Bacillus polymyxa. It cures some bacterial diseases. So these are the important antibiotics. Not only these alone, many antibiotics will prepared from the beneficial bacteria to cure the many bacterial diseases. Many beneficial bacteria are useful in various industries like food industry, chemical industries, textile industries, fiber industry, like various industries. Many bacteria are useful. The bacteria such as Streptococcus lactis, Leuconostoc citrovorum convert the milk into butter. Lactobacillus acidophobus, Lactobacillus lactis convert the milk into cheese. Lactobacillus lactis convert the milk into curd. Lactobacillus bulgaris convert the milk into yogurt. So these are the important bacteria used in the milk industries to convert the milk products, convert the milk into useful milk products like butter, cheese, curd and yogurt. Many alcoholic beverages are prepared from the molasses by fermentation activity of the anaerobic bacterium like Clostridium acetobutylicum. Pickles also produced by using of this anaerobic bacteria. Acetobacter aceti. This type of bacteria oxidizes the ethyl alcohol obtained from the molasses by fermentation to vinegar, that is acetic acid. Alcohols and acetone, ethyl alcohol, butyl alcohol, methyl alcohols are prepared from the molasses by fermentation activity of the anaerobic bacteria such as Clostridium acetobutylicum. Microbial fermentation is used for the large scale production of the amino acids. Amino acids like phenylalanine, tryptophan, proline, threonine, like many amino acids are prepared by means of the beneficial microorganisms, especially bacteria. Many bacteria are useful in chemical industries for the preparation of vitamins, many chemicals. Escherichia coli is living in the intestine of human beings, produce the large quantities of vitamin K and vitamin B complex. Clostridium acetobutylicum prepared the vitamin B2 by fermentation of sugars. Some of the bacteria are useful in fiber retting process also. The fibers from the fiber yielding plants like jute are separated by the action of the Clostridium triticum. This is called a retting of fibers. So this bacteria helps in the retting of flax and jute fibers, which are then converted into ropes. Some of the bacteria are useful in the mining industry also. Some of the bacteria are useful in the textile industry. Some group of bacteria are useful in the biogas production. Biogas production is important one. So the methanogens are growing in the wastewater, sewage, cow dung, manure, plant material, green wastes. So they are able to produce the biogas. This is alternative one. Some of the bacteria are present in the digestive tract of ruminants like herbivorous animals like a cow, buffalo. So these help in the digestion of the cellulose rich food. Some of the bacteria help in the generation of electricity. Bacteria can be grown in the humus, wastewater, sewage and other organic wastes to generate the electricity. Some of the bacteria are helpful for the preparation of many enzymes like amylase, peptidase, like many enzymes. The bacteria Mycococcus candidians, Bacillus megatherium. So these are the bacteria helping to produce the special flavor and aroma of the tea and tobacco due to the fermentation process. Thus, these are all the important industrial uses of the bacteria.